So this is outside the Iranian embassy in London. This is some of the footage that we've got. A line, a cordon of the Metropolitan Police there. You've got people waving the, some would argue, what would you say, the original Iranian flag, the old Iranian flag. Police are trying to move in on the crowd there. Now, this was sent in to us a few moments ago by somebody who was at the scene. So it's taking place, and this comes after there have been arrests. The Metropolitan Police say that several officers have suffered injuries. Missiles have been thrown at them. The other side of this are pretty adamant that they say that the police have acted, in their words here, and I'm quoting a reporter who's on the ground, they say the police have acted disgracefully. But again, obviously the police are saying that this is very much a response to an ongoing situation. But yeah, scenes there outside the Iranian embassy in London. Right, we'll get more for you. We'll get more for you as we get it. But this is the breaking story of the night. And again, I don't want to lose sight here as well, given what we're seeing there, of what actually we think has maybe happened in Iran, which is that the Iranian regime has now been accused of using chemical weapons against its own people.
On my head! Relax! Stop struggling! Sir! Right, subject secure.
You're pushing his head.
Turn on its side towards me. G-section.
You're pushing his head to ground, you know.
Sir, my head! My head! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Why are you antagonizing people? Why?
Get back! Move away from the offsets! Get back! Get back! Yeah, I know that. I don't know what you're doing. It's fine. Yeah, you cannot. You cannot.
Everything that's going on in the world is pertinent to everything that I've been talking about for all of these years. And that is patriotism. You understand, when you see a country fall, the number one reason is because the people lost their patriotism. What is patriotism? It's a love of your country. It's very vague. It's a love of everything about your country. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And the magic, the beauty, and the freedom. We're watching this shit happen all over the fucking crazy world here. And everybody looks to us, whether they love us or they hate us. They look to America, because we are the newest kid on the block with the greatest fucking coolest toy on the block called freedom. Regardless of what, this is happening and that. In the big picture, we own that. And when we lose the love of that, because we get spoiled and we want our instant self-gratification for something that we want, I, it's a shit show. We have to get back to the basics of patriotism, of loving your country, loving your flag, the flag that represents everything that you people are out in the streets doing right now. So when I'm begging you to help me get the attention, sign the petition to get this gigantic, appropriate-sized flag at ground zero, that tragedy that happened 25 years ago this coming year. I'm not doing that for me. I'm not doing it just for the people that died here. I'm doing it for all of you, for everybody, to show the world that we're not, fuck you, we're America. A little bit, but mostly we're America. Come here the right way and assimilate and enjoy what we have to give you. That's also what this giant flag will say this 2026, the year of our 250th anniversary of this great concept called America. Go and sign the petition, please, and share it. We have to get this to happen. And all you folks out there on the commission, the 9/11 commission, and the politicians, and this one and that, oh, Scott's too controversial. If his name wasn't on it. Once you take this over and say, we're gonna make this happen, I walk away. You never hear my fucking name again. This is not about me, for fuck's sake. You get it? I'm out. Just take it. But I will be fucking relentless until you take it over.
Move away, walk away.
I'm just filming. I'm
Okay, that's why we need to leave the area though.
Why?
Okay, because of what's happened.
I just looking at the guy. I just wanted like humanity. What is